Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new to SEO and want to understand how websites get more traffic from Google, then one tool you will hear about again and again is Ahrefs. In today's video, I'm going to give you a beginner-friendly guide to Ahrefs. We'll cover what Ahrefs is, who should use it, how the pricing works, and most importantly, what the main Ahrefs tools actually do. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Ahrefs can help you research keywords, analyze competitors, check backlinks, audit your website, track rankings, and find SEO opportunities. So, let's get started. First, let's learn what Ahrefs is. Ahrefs is a powerful all-in-one SEO and marketing platform. In simple words, Ahrefs helps website owners, marketers, SEO professionals, and business owners understand how websites perform in search engines like Google. It provides data on keywords, backlinks, competitors, website issues, rankings, content opportunities, and traffic performance. Ahrefs is widely used by SEO professionals around the world because it combines many useful SEO tools into a single platform. Now, you may be wondering, who can use Ahrefs? Ahrefs is useful for different types of users. If you are a beginner, Ahrefs can help you understand how SEO works. If you are a business owner, it can help you find keywords your customers are searching for. If you are a blogger, it can help you find topics that people are already searching for. If you are an SEO professional, it can help you manage client websites, track rankings, run audits, and analyze competitors. If you are a digital marketing agency, Ahrefs can help you build SEO strategies, prepare reports, and find growth opportunities for clients. Now, let's see how to get started with Ahrefs. To use Ahrefs, you need to sign up. First, go to the Ahrefs website. On the home page, you will see a button or icon that says Sign up for Ahrefs. Click that button. Then, you will be headed to choose a pricing plan based on your needs. Ahrefs has different pricing packages depending on how many projects, keywords, crawl credits, users, and advanced features you need. Before choosing a plan, ask yourself, how many websites do I need to manage? How many keywords do I need to track? Do I need basic SEO tools or advanced agency-level tools? Am I using it for my own website or for multiple clients? For most beginners, it is better to start small and upgrade later when you need more limits. Now, let's quickly go through the Ahrefs pricing packages. Please remember, pricing can change over time, so always check the official Ahrefs pricing page before buying. First one is the Lite plan, which is $129 per month. The Lite package is usually suitable for individuals, freelancers, bloggers, or small business owners who are starting with SEO. The second plan is the Standard plan, $249 per month. The Standard package is a stronger option for serious marketers, growing businesses, and small agencies. This plan is better if you need deeper competitor research, more keyword data, more content research, and more advanced SEO reporting. The third plan is the Advanced plan, $449 per month. The Advanced package is designed for larger teams, agencies, and businesses managing bigger SEO campaigns. The fourth plan is the Enterprise plan, $1,499 per month. The Enterprise plan is made for large companies, large agencies, and teams that need higher limits, advanced security, and more control. Now, let's go through the main tools inside Ahrefs and explain what each one does. First tool is Site Explorer. Site Explorer is one of the most important tools inside Ahrefs. It allows you to analyze any website. You can enter your own website, your competitor's website, or even a specific page URL. Once you enter a domain, Ahrefs shows you key SEO data about that website. You can see things like organic traffic, organic keywords, top pages, backlinks, referring domains, paid traffic, competitor keywords, traffic value, website structure, and AI search visibility. This is extremely useful because it helps you understand what is already working for a website. Site Explorer is especially useful for competitor analysis. Instead of starting from zero, you can reverse engineer what already works. You can look at which keywords do competitors rank for, which pages get the most traffic, which websites link to them, what content topics are performing well, where their paid traffic is going, and how strong their backlink profile is. For beginners, Site Explorer is one of the best places to start because it shows you how real websites perform in search. The second tool is Keywords Explorer. Keywords Explorer helps you find keyword ideas. A keyword is a search term that people type into Google. If you want your website to get traffic from Google, you need to know what people are searching for. That is where Keywords Explorer helps. When you type a keyword into Ahrefs, it can show you search volume, keyword difficulty, traffic potential, related keywords, questions people ask, matching terms, search intent, SERP overview, keyword clusters, and AI suggestions. For beginners, Keywords Explorer is useful because it helps you avoid writing content that nobody searches for. The last tool we are going to explore is the Brand Radar. Brand Radar helps you understand whether your brand is being mentioned in AI answers. This is very useful for modern SEO because search is changing. Traditional SEO focuses on ranking on Google, but Brand Radar helps with something newer called AI visibility, or answer engine optimization. For beginners, the key thing to understand is this. Brand Radar helps you see how visible your brand is in AI search, not just traditional Google search. As AI search continues to grow, this kind of visibility will become more important for businesses, marketers, and SEO professionals. So that's a beginner-friendly guide to Ahrefs. You do not need to use every feature on day one. Start with the basics, understand the data, and use those insights to improve your website step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which Ahrefs tool you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.